Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Let us analyze the chart and predict the price action for today. Before starting our analysis, let us look at the economic calendar for today. So today is April 14th, and when we look at 7 AM we have high impacting news for Australian dollar. After that we have low impacting news. Then at 5:15 PM we have high impacting news coming up for euro related currency pairs. Then at 6 PM we have high impacting news coming up for euro currency pairs and USD currency pairs. Then at 7:30 PM we have medium impacting news and low impacting news coming up for USD related currency pairs. So when we look at the economic calendar from 5:15 PM to 7:30 PM, it will be a very volatile market because lot of high impacting news coming up at this time. Please consider this news calendar also when you are deciding on your trade entries and exits. Let us start with our gold analysis. As usual, I will be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame, and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. This is only a suggestion. It is not a trading advice. Use these levels as a reference for deciding on your entry and exits. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, I had already mentioned in my previous video that this whole zone between 2005 and 1975 is a very strong resistance zone because we had seen a consolidation over here. Then we had noticed the price action go on a bearish side. So whenever the price action bounces back or retests these levels, we can expect this area to be acting as a resistance zone, and we can expect the price to bounce back on the bearish trend. And we already know that 1917 is currently acting as a very strong support zone because when we look at the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong resistance. Currently this level is acting as a very strong support. So overall the price action is trading within this resistance and support levels in daily time frame. When we look at the price action on the left hand side also, in the past we had noticed consolidation happening over here. Then we had a bearish trend reversal breaking this support level. So currently the price action is making a consolidation. If the price action doesn't break this resistance zone, we can expect a sharp fall in gold. For this we have to wait for the Ukraine and Russia war to end also. Only then we can expect a trend reversal in gold. So currently the price action is trading within this resistance and support zone. Currently it has gone up on the bullish trend. Soon we can expect a retracement on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. In 4 hours time frame I have drawn a bullish channel pattern over here. Here we can clearly notice that the price action has tested this resistance line over here, and we are noticing a bearish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. And even if the price action bounces back on the bearish trend, this level of 1946 will be acting as a very strong support level because we had seen several times consolidating over here. Then we had noticed a bullish trend reversal, and it has to break this support level in order to continue its bearish trend reversal. And if it comes on the bearish trend also, overall trend of the market is on a bullish side. So it has to break this support line of the bullish channel pattern in order to fall further on the bearish side. Within this bullish channel pattern, currently it is on a bearish trend reversal. Let us wait and see how far it is going to retrace. As long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Even if the bullish trend continues, it is still trading within a higher time frame resistance level between 1974 and 2004. So it has to break this resistance zone in order to continue on a bullish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. We already know that the current price action is trading between a bullish channel pattern and it has taken resistance from the resistance line from the bullish channel pattern. So currently the price action is in a bearish trend reversal. I have drawn one more support line or trend line for hourly time frame. I am expecting the price action to break this support level of 1974 and to test this support level from the hourly time frame. As long as this trend line is holding, we can still expect the bullish trend reversal to happen and to retest on this support line or the resistance line. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish trend reversal. Still, the overall price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. The values within these blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is in a very nice bullish trend. Wait for it to break this support level of 1974. Then we can expect a retracement up to the next level of support, which is going to be around 1965. If it breaks this level, next target is going to be 1960. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it was in a very nice bullish trend and took resistance on the 4 hours time frame resistance line or the trend line, and it is on a process of breaking this higher time frame support level of 1975. Wait for it to break this support zone, then you can take trades on the bearish trend reversal, and we can expect it to trend down and take support on the hourly time frame trend line or support line. Only when the price action breaks this trend line or support line, we can expect a further fall in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has formed similar to a double top pattern and we are noticing the sign of bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here also we can notice the price action breaking this higher time frame support level of 1974 and it is on a bearish trend reversal. So the values in blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is showing a bearish trend reversal. Wait for it to break the previous low of 1972 to get a confirmation on the bearish trend reversal. Till then we can expect the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side also, because in the past we have noticed a price action come near to this price level and to bounce back on the bullish side. We have come to the end of this analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.